My name's Steve from Quicklime. We're here at the P1 Superstock powerboats on the River Humber. Forward and thinking brought us the screens down here. Basically, instead of just broadcasting past footage and promotional videos through the screen, they can actually see what it's like sat behind the wheel of one of these machines live.
Just to drive into